Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2020 F-150 XLT in leadfoot. It has black sport cloth interior, seating for 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. It has a 5-liter V8 engine, it's a 4x4, and it also has the XLT Sport package, which includes the sport cloth interior as well as the center console. It has navigation and a backup camera, and this is a flex fuel. It's really easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. You have your electronic parking brake located here, power pedals, lighting controls. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and with the help of your running board and grab handle, it's easy to get in. On the face of the steering wheel is your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, your odometer reading, as well there's a menu that we can toggle through. So that'll come up momentarily. Display mode, trip fuel, towing, off-road, settings, and these are all have sub-menus. In the center, there's a little bin to put items, traction control, hazard lights, auto stop start for less idle time. You can touch on your screen for your sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. You also have your map for navigation, and that'll come up momentarily. And when we put the vehicle in reverse, you're going to see your backup camera view. There you go. And we also have, as this comes back, settings. We can slide through there, Wi-Fi, Ford Pass Connect, and so forth. You can even change the look of your display screen. Volume and tuner, and down below, front and rear defrost, as well as AC and max AC. And then you have your 4x4 with locking differential and your integrated trailer brake controller. Down below, a couple of USB outlets, and you just press this and it'll close it right up. You have an automatic select shifter and drive mode. So when you press on this, it'll appear on your dash. So you have normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, sport, and back around again. And that was simply by pushing that button each time. There's a couple of cup holders, and your armrest opens up. Lots of room. There's a little bin here. Take that out. Down below, you can store whatever you'd like. Plus, you have a 12-volt. And then off to the side is another 12-volt and 110 outlet, and the locking glove compartment. Up above, auto dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls, sunglass holder, and there's a grab handle in the body, making it easier to get in. 20-inch wheels, mud flaps, magnetic colored running board, body colored door handle, keyless entry keypad, driver's side, capless, easy fuel gas filler. The black handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. Your backup camera is just below that handle, and you have a 4 and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. And then when you want to open up the tailgate, you simply put your hand in the latch. You've got this nice line box with tie downs in all 4 corners, as well as box link. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. You simply pull the tab, and then you can lift the seat right up, gives you more room on the floor. To bring it back down, pull the tab again, and you also have anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. And we're seeing this nice tire tread design, and that's your sport cloth. On the floor are carpeted mats. It also comes with all-weather mats, slim pockets on the back of the front seat. In the center, a couple of cup holders, 12-volt, 110, and USB outlets, air vents on each side. There's a grab handle in the body, hooks and lighting up above, and in the back, access to a big window that has rear defrost. Body colored bumper, mud flaps, 5.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, heated and powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.